everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a 1947 Lackner scroll desktop neon clock. This was made by Lackner, who's probably best known for their large exterior neon signs and clocks. This company offered a short-lived line of neon clocks for the home. They probably weren't widely received, which is evident by the scarcity of these models today. It featured cases in Catalan, bakelite, and wood with lucite accents. This one was referred to as the scroll model, and was produced in the 1940s, specifically 1947 for this one. Housed in this small body is the clock mechanism, a neon tube, and a transformer. The light of the blue neon tube passes through this slot above and lights that lucite piece. The carved circular markers glow brightly. There's a red second hand and white hour and minute hands. Looking at this one in particular, we've got the tag on the back, the Lackner Neon Glow Clock, Scroll Gold, the switch, the good plug. If we plug this in, we see that the second hand starts to go, a slight hum. If I flip the switch in the back, we do not have the neon light. I've not opened up the case. It's original as it stands. There may be a loose wire. There may be a burnt out neon tube. There may be a transformer that needs adjusting, or a loose wire on that to tighten up. But I am selling this as it is. Good vintage antique period condition. Clock works as it should. There is typical wear and marrings on it. But for such a rare piece, this one is incredibly intact and ready for a good cleaning and a little bit of repair. One other thing on the original foot, one of them is loose. Looks like it had been repaired in the past, these chrome spheres. That is an easy fix. As rare as it is beautiful, you'll look a long time before finding another one. Thanks for looking.